So hey guys, Google has taken a leap into the foldable phone arena with the introduction of the Pixel Fold. But honestly, and I say this in a complete chill mode, I think they might have made a bit of an oopsie. The official render images of the Pixel Fold have been spreading like a wildfire, and personally they give off some serious made it as a joke vibes. If you notice those large bezels at the top and bottom of the device, you might think twice about spending close to $1,700 just for that style. Even with that, there are still people who are bashing Samsung Z Fold 4 design, and who knows what kind of reactions the upcoming Pixel Fold will draw. Yeah, I totally get it, the wider aspect ratio on the Fold's cover display is going to make it so much more convenient to use. Lots of people have complained about feeling cramped when using Samsung's Fold series, so this could be a game changer and it will be even easier to use with one-handed when the device is folded. In a different image, we get to see how the device would look like when unfolded from both the front and back side. The backside has a resemblance to the Google Pixel 7 Pro with the 3 camera lenses and an LED flash. In a leaked renders, we catch a glimpse of the Pixel Fold's hinge and it looks pretty sleek and thin. But it's always a good idea to wait for actual photos and video before jumping to conclusion about the hinge's quality. Okay, so let's dig into the juicy details of this device. Apart from the design, what kind of specs can we expect? We are looking at a rumored 7.6 inches AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120Hz. Powering this device is the Google Tensor 2 SoC. We are taking 12 gigs of RAM and a choice between 256 gigs and 512 gigs of storage. I gotta say, I'm pretty confident in Google's camera department. The word on this tweet is that the Pixel Fold's back camera setup will include a 48 megapixel primary camera, a 10.8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera and a 10.8 megapixel telephoto camera. It's rumored that the Pixel Fold will be making its debut at Google I/O on May 10th, with possible shipping beginning on June 27th. The 256 gigs version of the foldable phone is expected to sell for $1,799 and the 512 gigs model for $1,900. So alright you all, spill the tea on the Pixel Fold, leave your thoughts down in the comments. If you're vibing with this content, smash the subscribe button and I will catch you in the next one.